We've given away plenty of retro RVs, but today we have a secret and it's coming to life right now. Well, here we go, Paddy here. We're sitting in a 1952 Flying Cloud RV. Have a go at it. There's been no expense spared in this. It's been built by the shipyard in Brisbane. Carpenters have gone crazy with it. Have a go at it and look at the decor. It's got all these beautiful pots in it, spoons, cutting board, cups up the top. You've got a bathroom facility, you've got a latrine, you've got the shower, you've got the sink, the mirror. It is sick. It's got another book on camping, got nice pillows, beautiful seating arrangement, lovely table, decor on top plus. We have lighting, ventilation, and here's room for a double bed if you choose it to be. It's actually a dining area with that off. The table pops up. We'll have a go at this. We're sitting in a 2021 Defender. It's got a terrain response system on it. It's got all the bells and whistles. It's going to be towing the 1952 Flying Cloud Airstream behind us. Let me start this up, have a look at it. Beautiful sound, all illuminated on the dash, beautiful leather seats, nice and clean. 2021 Defender. If you love camping, check out our previous winners. This particular van has everything here for you. Dining room table, bed, sink, bathroom, shower, double bed, lighting, ventilation. It's got it all going on. Paddy here from Classics. We proudly support veterans.